MP3 to YouTube. Have you ever wondered how to turn your MP3 song, podcast, or audiobook into an engaging YouTube video? Whether you're a musician looking to share your music, or you simply want to create exciting visuals for your podcast, you are in the right place. Because in this video, I'll show you how to turn your MP3 file into a YouTube video using VEED. By the end of this video, you'll have created something like this.
In this video, we spend 48 hours in the capital of Greece, where we pretend to be cultured at the monuments, indulge in gyros, relax on rooftops, get lost in the back streets.
Let's get started. Now we're in VEED, click upload a file and select your MP3 file. Give it a moment here to load. And the next step we'll take is adding stock footage to add visual aids for whatever it is that we're discussing. So click media in the toolbar and next to stock videos, click search. You can type in whatever it is that you're looking for and you'll see you've got numerous different options here to choose from. Select your favorite and let it load. If the clip lasts longer than needed, you can push it over to the left in the timeline. Now with your playhead at the end of the first clip, repeat this process until you have footage across your entire MP3 file. And the next thing that we want to add is subtitles. That way we include people who are hard of hearing, second language learners, and anybody watching with the audio switched off. It's super simple. Click subtitles in the toolbar, then click auto subtitle. Choose your language and click create subtitles. Give that a moment here for the AI to transcribe our MP3 file and you'll notice that it highlights words of low confidence in orange. So if any of these are correct, you can mark them as such, but if any words are wrong, just delete it and type out the correct word. Moving on, click the Styles tab and now you can customize your subtitles choosing any font, size, color, effect and animation. Hover your mouse over each animation to see it in effect and choose your favorite. And the final touches that we're going to be adding is background music. Obviously, if your original MP3 file is a song, then please feel free to skip forward to this timestamp. However, if you would like to add background music, click audio in the toolbar and then next to stock music, click search. You can search for anything you like. You can even type in a music trait to narrow down your search. Then press the play button to hear a demo of the track. And once you've found a suitable one, click the plus sign. If your track is longer than your video, just push it over to the left so that everything ends in sync. Now let's export our YouTube video. Click done in the top right hand corner and click where it says quality. Then you can choose your render settings, go back and click export video. Give that a moment here to render and once it's done, we can watch it back to see how it turned out. Lastly, click download and download MP4. And that's how to turn an MP3 file into a YouTube video. I really hope you found this video helpful and I will see you in the next one. Bye!